we'll guide you through how to delete files from Dropbox effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Dropbox homepage with all your files and folders. Navigate to the file or folder you want to delete. You can do this by either scrolling through your list of files or using the search bar at the top. Once you've located the file or folder, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a checkbox appear on the left side. Click the checkbox to select the file. If you want to delete multiple files, continue selecting them by checking their respective boxes. After selecting the files, look for the delete option, which usually appears at the top of the page. It's often represented by a trash bin icon. Click on it, and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected files. Make sure to double-check your selections because once they're deleted, they'll be moved to the Dropbox trash, which is also known as the deleted files folder. Click the delete button in the confirmation pop-up to proceed. To permanently remove these files, go to the deleted files section on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see all the files you've recently deleted. Select the files again and press the permanently delete button. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so be sure you don't need these files anymore. That's all it takes to clean up your Dropbox by deleting unwanted files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.